Hello everyone, welcome back to the one last video of the week. So now this aircraft is, as you know, the world's first Airbus. Today we see like a bunch of aircraft built by Airbus, like Airbus 350, Airbus 3, even the bigger huge Airbus 380, the Airbus 320 family. But this is the world's first Airbus ever built. This is the Airbus A300. Even though this particular one is from Iberia Airlines. But I've seen a bunch of these A300s. I haven't seen an Airbus 300 take off in like 8 years. I remember when I saw it, I stayed in the airport years ago at night because that's what time usually it takes off. I stayed at the airport till basically almost 9 in the night when I saw one of these FedEx Airbus took off, and its engines were really amazing. They were pretty loud, but it's very, very cool. So because like FedExes we have here at the local airport, like every time I look at the Flight Radar 24 map, it always comes in the morning. It comes in the morning coming from Windsor Locks, Connecticut, from that airport. It's very, very nice. And it said it's the world's first Airbus. Like they said, the largest Airbus, the largest airline that currently operates these older Airbus 300s is actually the country Iran Air is the largest operator that operates these older Airbus 300s. It's very nice, and I'm hoping to see it take off again. Hopefully, if I decide to start going out at night, hopefully to see these Airbus 300s. It's amazing. And then when it leaves at night, I always notice it always goes to Indianapolis as well. And there are a few times it comes here from Memphis too, instead of the 767 as well. But it's very, very cool. Like I used to really, when I was young, I remember I used to confuse it with the Airbus 320 because it looked like if it was a bigger version of the Airbus 320 because it had these little triangular things on its wingtips like the A320 usually has. But now I tell the difference. And there's also another one I got confused that I thought it was like an Airbus 320 too, which is also called the Airbus 310. It's very, very cool. But anyway, thank you so much for the video, and I'll see you next time.